As you can see, it's early in the morning and we are here to do some fascial maneuvers. So we're gonna start with a small organ reset. So rub your hands together, create some energy, create some friction. Also rub your knuckles and also the top ones. And the last one, the fingertips as well. And then just hold your hands some inches away, some centimeters away, and just feel the energy. If you cannot feel anything, it's completely fine. But maybe you will have like some magnetic pulse there in between your hands. And then we'll bring the left hand on your trap, the right hand on your belly button. Go 3-4 centimeters to the right and down, which is 2 inches to the right and down. Press in and rotate so your thumb is up. You breathe in through the mouth, out through the mouth 3 times. I like to rotate a little bit, but you can also do it just standing. And then we breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. So now we are releasing the small and large intestines, so for a better gut and also to release some stress and worry that we might have. We next go to the bladder, so we just go above the pubic bone, we press in and we pull up. I like to go inside, so just have the bare skin, it's just way easier. You pull up and you lean back, as I show you here. And again, I like already to rotate from right to left. So breathe in and out through the mouth first. And let go of any anxiety, stress, worry. And take deep breaths into your mouth and into this area. And then we breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth 3 times as well. And I like to have the intention and imagine that I create more space in that area. More space to also receive. And then we release and we go straight away to our belly button again. And then 3-4 centimeters to the left and down, or 2 inches. Press in and pull the skin towards your right shoulder. You breathe in through the mouth first. Take deep breaths and have the intention of creating more space in your body, in your intestines. And release all stress and worry. We breathe in through the nose now, out through the mouth. And with the rotation, if you feel at some point that maybe on the right side or left side you feel more tension, stay there and breathe deeply in there. And then you release, shake your arms, tune into your body and see if there's any shifts. So with that started, we now integrate a little bit. So move at an 8 or you go for a walk. And then I like to do the pullover. So I take the right hand on my shoulder next to the armpit and the left hand is wrapping around the rib cage. And now I pull the skin towards the center. And now I look to the left, lift my left shoulder, stay there for a moment. Then I bend my knee slightly and I even go further to lift my left shoulder. And then I want to bring my left shoulder to the right knee and I breathe in and out through the mouth first, 3 times. And then I switch to breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And breathe into your rib cage. Open up there so it can really go all the way. And you're kind of connecting your fingertips there. And then you go up, stay there. Now you move your head to the right. Lift your right shoulder up. Bend your knees, lift a little bit more, bend a little bit to the left. And then you bring your right shoulder to the left knee. and see how that feels. And breathe in and out through the mouth first, and then in through the nose, out through the mouth 3 times. And breathe into that area where you hold, but also breathe into the lower back. Because for me, it's almost getting all the sides and really shifting into the lower back area. Then you release, you integrate, move a little bit, go for a walk, whatever is possible for you right now, and also what you need. We go to the other side, so take your left hand now on your right shoulder, pull your skin up, and your right shoulder wraps around. We are looking to the right, lift your right shoulder, bend your knees, lift your right shoulder a little bit more. You can also bend to the left, and then we start breathing and bringing the right shoulder towards the left knee, and we're breathing in and out through the mouth first, 3 times, and then we breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. And again, try to feel the length of your body here, of your upper body. And breathe all the way from the rib cage down to your lower back. Slowly we come up, we hold ourselves, we look to the left, and we're lifting the left shoulder. And then we bend our knees, we lift our shoulder even more, bend a little bit to the right, and we bring the left shoulder to the right knee, breathing in and out through the mouth with the movement 3 times. And then we breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth 3 times again. And work with your intention here, where you breathe into your body and where you want to release the tension. Slowly come up again. And then release. And move a little bit. Tune into your body while doing that and see what changed for you. Is there a shift? Do you feel maybe one part of your body more present? It doesn't always have to be tension or pain or something. It can just be like more a sensation. Now we do the pretzel squat. So bring your right leg 90 degrees to the left. Bring your hip to the right. Left arm up, right hand on your butt cheek. And then you want to look down and fold yourself over. And your left hand comes on the right shoulder, right hand comes up. I show you up the back as far as you can. Going back to the position. You look to the left, and then you drop down. Go as far as you can. Breathe in and out through the mouth, sharp. And then we switch to in through the nose, out through the mouth. If it starts burning, surrender. What I mean by that, and I'll explain in a second. First, we're going to switch. So right hand on the left shoulder, left arm up, we look to the right. You can also shift your weight if you want. But what I mean with surrender is when it's burning, lean into that burning sensation. Try not to resist it. Try to surrender and accept it, and then it will be much easier for you to do the maneuver. We come up, we will release, and you will feel exhausted after that, and also your legs will feel exhausted. Stay with it, tune into your body, see where the energy is going, also where the tension is now. Feel your hips. Here it's really nice to walk in between. We go now for the other side, so left leg is 90 degrees to the right. We take a big step. Straight legs. We bring our hip to the right, right arm up, left hand on top of your left butt cheek. We fold over, right hand on the left shoulder, left arm up. We are looking to the right, and we drop down as far as you can. And we start breathing in and out through the mouth, sharp. Go as far as you can. and open those hips. And then we breathe in through the mouth, out, in through the nose, and out through the mouth. And then we switch. Left hand on top of your right shoulder, right arm up, and we look to the left. And we breathe in and out through the mouth sharp. Again, surrender. Don't resist. In through the nose, out through the mouth 3 times. And then slowly we come up. And yeah, you will probably feel you just ran a marathon or something like this. A little bit dramatic here. Move around in an 8 and actually stop the video here and walk a little bit just to feel your hips and how your hip opened up. And now a really powerful one is the ear torque. So take your right hand and pull the left ear up. With your left hand, you pull the ear down, you stretch it, and then you twist it so the earlobe comes to the front. And then here, stand hip wide apart, belly button in, and I breathe in and out through the mouth, and I move. Move slowly, because otherwise the muscles kick in and you cannot release the fascia, because the muscles protect you from getting injured. And I really go down, if you can, go down into the squat, because then the pressure, there's more pressure, so the fascia can release even more. And this is one of my favorite maneuvers, actually, because sometimes I have hip problems, and with that, or hip tension, and with that, I can release it easily. So basically, here you can feel free, breathe in and out through the mouth 6 times, or you have the flip again with breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Walk around, because check your hips, check the way you walk. It's very different. Now we go to the other side. So take your left hand on your right ear, pull it up and pull it down with the other hand, twist it so the earlobe is to the front, and we start breathing. Belly button towards your spine, and then move slowly, see where the tension is, and really go and tune into your body and your body's needs. Keep breathing, and then you release. And again, tune in. I like to close my eyes for that, just to feel where it shifted in my body, what's coming up for me. Take your right hand now on your heart, your left hand on top of your head. And breathe. Take a moment also to feel your heartbeat, to feel the beat of your head. And naturally my body is moving. It's not that you have to do it, it's just what my body is doing. So my body already integrates the new. And because we did a lot of lower back and especially lower back movements and maneuvers, I like to put my hand under my belly button and connect with my belly button or with my womb as well. And take as long as you need to connect with your body parts. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know in the comments how you feel now after the session, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.